Whoa. Okay. Uh, Recording and streaming. OBS rather than NVIDIA Shadowplay because it doesn't have a microphone buzz. I figured that listening to my own voice all the time with a delay through my headphones was rather annoying, so I would stop using Shadowplay to stream because it's not customizable. You can't see my other screens, and OBS is just better. I don't know why I wasn't using it. Oh well, because I didn't know that it could do NVIDIA encode and use low CPU like this. Okay, now I am streaming. Uh, got the chat. Can you see that? No, you can barely even tell it's there. Uh, ooh, 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 okay, and then bada boom. Got the stream chat there. So now you can see when I'm doing something on the other monitors. Uh, can you even see the mouse? It's like a little flicker. And over here, it's yeah. Oh, I've got the stream open over here. My channel. Okay. Open Roblox. I am promising accelerators and other assorted memes. Will I really be able to code it? Find out next time on Dragon Ball Z. Instaboosters. Alright. Wow, we already got 5 people watching. There we go. Should I make the camera and other monitors bigger, or should I put the other monitors somewhere else? Tell me what you think. What I could do, I could put one monitor on top of the other. Like I could have them like this but bigger. I don't know. If you want to see what's going on. Map tests. What will I need to edit? Okay, so it will be in the movement code. Movement. Sublime text. Boom. I am not seeing anyone giving any shits about what I said with the monitors, so I will assume no one cares. Movement. Okay. Okay, so I already have accelerators in the zone memory. And then I have touching zones. Okay, so I'll explain what I'm going to do and what I'm going to call them. So I'm going to have 3 different ways to boost. I'll have regular boosters, and right now it's any part with I guess I can't really change it now, but a regular booster has any name, uh, velocity, applies to player. I don't know. And I'm thinking that if you want to make an instabooster, you'll make a part and you'll put it like around a surf ramp or something, and I'll call it an instabooster, just like a booster, but can collide false. I'm thinking that's what the functionality will be, where I'll have it so that if you make a part can collide false, and the velocity is non-zero, it'll apply that velocity to you or add it to your velocity, because that's how boosters work. Yeah. So you can go around it and do it twice and stuff like that. Yeah. Yeah. Oh, if I add it, I don't need to worry about the zero velocity parts as well. And then I'll have another thing called an accelerator, and this will accelerate you. And what this means is that it basically changes the gravity. So I might have some sort of camera tilting option. I'm not sure. Because the camera isn't inside the collision sphere, so bad things can happen to those who change the gravity, and it'll be super hard. But it'd be neat to like have a zero gravity area, and you just have ramps that go like side to side or something, and you could do that. And but actually they would probably need to be curved like this, and I don't know how you would do that, so that you could like stay in the ramp, because if there's no gravity, it'd be hard to like you could go like this, but you would kind of slide up or down. So you need to have like maybe a ramp like this, and a ramp like this, and then a ramp like this, so that they can stay inside. If you're gonna make a curvy thing that goes like this and then like that or something in a zero gravity zone. So what I'm thinking will happen is simply adds to the current gravity vector. So you have to know what the gravity is and add to it, because if I just set the gravity, then having multiple of them, you couldn't have that creative freedom. I don't know. Are you ever gonna add knives? Probably. I'm doing a lot lately. I'm gonna advertise the stream real quick. This is this one, and this is this one. Okay. Okay, so only the accelerator needs to be a zone, but okay. So all I really need to do, I think, is find the main loop. Found it, main loop, or function, I don't know. And then we got touching parts. Is there any touching zones in here? Touching zones. That's in movement tick. Is that the first touching zones? Touching zones. Add touching part. So that puts the touching zones in change map, and it leaves the zones. Exit zones. So it's already referenced in the movement tick. No, I'm gonna have to do it in the step tick, because that is once every 100th of a second. Or I could just change the gravity. Is gravity, hello? Gravity, oh no. Gravity is not a vector. Oh no. Oh no, it's acceleration. Oh, okay. What? So we'll just control F for gravity. I'm on my way. Oh, hold on. Okay, let's. Yeah, this should be like super easy. I equals 1. Number touching zones. Do. Let's just hope that it's not at the variable limit, and I need to. That would suck. I'll call zone excel equals identity vector. Zone excel equals zone excel. Maybe I should do it with acceleration. I don't see why not. Yeah, and yeah, it's way easier. Why would I do it with another variable? If touching zones I part name cache. Oh, we fucked up. Page up. Okay, we're back. Part name cache. Touching zones. Okay. Oh, that's not what I wanted to do. God damn it. If the part name is accelerator, I hope I spelled that right, then we add the acceleration to the velocity of the zone. Please tell me the part velocity. Oh what the okay, what, why did that happen? Oh no. Oh no. Okay, it's already referenced in the function. What about the name cache? It's gotta be. Oh no, it's a new variable. Okay, it's not. This function is like filled to the brim with up values, which I don't really understand, but you can reduce it by doing stuff. I don't know. Yeah. What has people been saying? I always forget to look at the chat. Oh, OMG, is this the real quad? Question mark, question mark. I want to massage my erect phallic spire on your facial hair. Sir, spire. A spire is conical shaped. Do you have a pointy penis? Welcome our surf members XD. Are you trans, lol? I was originally a woman. Lol, I be up. Next, you should make blue parts like on bandits where you shoot and it flies you up. Oh, I sneezed. You could do that with accelerators. Yeah, if you just make the gravity lower and you make it a booster, well, you wouldn't really need to make it a booster. Like if you have a big tower zone accelerator above the thing and it pushes up like 25 or something, it would as you're falling towards the thing, you wouldn't really notice the gravity change, but once you hit the thing and you're starting to go up, you would go up a lot higher. Yeah, and you could have like a small zone above the thing and then change it to a full area zone or something. I don't know. But yeah, that's really hacky. I never liked those. So if you do it with accelerators, it'll be more cool. Reading chat. It pisses me off when idiots say stupid shit. I wish I could talk. Can you fix the time bug? I was playing, then my time went to blah, blah, blah. Yeah, I don't know why that happens. If I knew why it happened, I would fix it. Sorry. The game is down. Are you gonna work with Rolf? Rolf already asked me for how to b-hop, and I said, oh, I can tell you about it, and they're like, oh, never mind. Okay. It was a long time ago too. What just happened? How they asked for, yeah. They're just gonna find someone else. No one else knows how to make me up. Otherwise, I would have competitors. Can you get your dog to do your weed face? I do not understand the question. Okay. Okay. Well, this should be. Oh, I appear to have messed up. There we go. So now the accelerators should work. I don't know what I was so high about last time. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, I wanted to do like super cool math. Mm-hmm. I wonder if Wolfram, if Mathematica can chug this out. How am I gonna formulate the problem? Okay, so what I want to do is go absolute ham with the math and solve how much volume is within the accelerator of your collision sphere. So it'll, okay, let's see. Cube? Do you have cube? No, okay. Graphics 3D. Tell me about it. Tell me about it. Thick! Polygon? Cuboid, there it is. So we have a cuboid, which represents the part. Oh shit! Oh shit! Never mind, I need to do, I would need to do cylinders as well. Oh, cylinders! Oh, I'm sweating already. But Mathematica might be able to do it. Okay, what are the options for cuboid? Let's see. Pmin, Pmax. Great. Xmin, Ymin, Zmin, Xmax, Ymax, ZMax, and then, okay, let's, okay. How do you do this? Let's try integrating a sphere over a cuboid. Let's go. Okay, integrate x squared plus y squared plus z squared z. I said z. Less than r squared. This is gonna be nutty, dude. Why? Ooh, I can't wait. Okay. Boom! It doesn't want to do it. It's like, fuck you, quad. No fucking way I can do this integral. Just fuck off. Let's make it proper then. It says fuck off again. Okay. Right. Oh. How do you do cool integrals? Mathematica, tell me. Neat examples. Oh, product log. Fans. Hey. Possible issues. Properties and relations. Oh, I want this. Area of a disk with radius r. So Excuse me, Mathematica. Assumptions r is greater than 0. Let's try that. Assumptions r is greater than 0. Fuck! Oh, so it really doesn't want to do it. It's like, dude, you're trying to find the intersection of a. Okay, let's try that. Let's do volume calculations. Solid geometry. Region. Okay, volume. Is there union or something? Intersection. How do I do calculations? What if I have like region member, sphere. Wait, is it? Oh, it has to be ball, doesn't it? Ball. Yeah. X, Y, Z, and then I do X, Y, Z element of cuboid. Doesn't like it. Oh, region member is true false, isn't it? Yeah. Okay, so I have to be like boolean turns true false into 1 and 0. Oh, it's gonna do it. Pi over 6. But that was an exact example, so ball. And then cuboid goes from, okay, let's do and then ball is and so this should be the same. Oh my god, this could take a while. But if it works, I'll be like, you what, mate? I just hope it's not like 500 cases. Region. Geometric computation. Region union. No way, dude. Region union. No fucking way, dude. Cuboid and a ball. Let's go. Let's go. Get fucked. We could do like integrate 1 over XYZ element of region union. That would probably work, but this one's still going. I should, I'll open a new one. What kind of CPU is it using? 0.2%, really? So it's like, so it's just looking through its library. It's like, is this even possible? Oh, now it's using 10%. That's interesting. Oh, hello. RuneScape formulas. Okay, fuck off. I'm trying to calculate this. Okay, let's try this one. Why is it using so little CPU, dude? Quad sounds like my science teacher from last year. Hey, I'm coming at you. I'm teaching science. Well, these calculations don't seem to be wanting to be completed anytime soon. I'll just make these windows smaller, and let's do another one, region union. I think that the cylinder works the same way. Let's see. Cylinder, tell me about it, boo. Oh, it does not. Cylinder has a R. Oops. This one. Should I make the ball one? R. Do I have to assume these are real numbers and stuff? Let's try again. Hello? Mathematica, no. Okay, well, I'll work on the other ones. So we got the accelerator, kinda done. If I want to be a mathematical exactamundo, I'll have it so that, like, as the ball goes into the zone, the gravity increases and increases and increases, and then it's at the maximum once it's inside. And then if it like comes to the corner, it'll be like the same thing where it's the intersection volume percentage of the gravity. It'll be nuts. There'll be so much math, and it'll be completely pointless. But I fucking love doing that. Say hello to the B-Hop physics. Alright. So we got the accelerators. Where are boosters? Here's a booster. velocity plus blah, blah, blah. Can collect cash. There it is. Wait, is normal defined here? Yeah, it is. Don't worry about it, dude. So this should be instaboosters. I don't know why I'm calling it that. It's basically the same as normal boosters, except the parts are go throughable, and I think that add touching part is okay, so I can still call it on the part. Where is that code at? There it is. Add touching part. So it doesn't add it to the touching parts if it's jump 1 or whatever, or if you're jumping off of it. But what if you're going through it? This would make the accelerators into instaboosters. So I have to check that the name is not accelerator. I have to make sure it's not a zone first. Is there a thing that checks that? Is there like is zone or something? Does this return anything? Is zone. Return is zone. Sounds good to me. Change the velocity. So if it's not a zone, change the velocity. Do I have a separate thing for zones? Hit part. This is hit part. What's happening? Okay, High Quaternions, nice game. How am I gonna test this? I can do it. So accelerators, testable. I'm pretty lost. Let's just see. Okay, I'm gonna check what my code. Oh, it says disable dynamic updating. Okay. Oh, Mathematica stopped working. Rip my calculations, dude. Ripperino. I was gonna look at how the hit part function originally was laid out. So yeah, it has a little else add touching part. So this will work. Great. What's VD? What's VD? Normalized. Yeah, I think it'll work better this way, actually. Ooh. And then die for another 8 months. I feel like that's what's gonna happen as well. Today I didn't feel so great about streaming, but once I started, here I am. Right? It's all about starting. Add touching part. That is not the script I wanted to see. Movement is the biggest script in my game. The most core element of the B-hops. Save, and then I will modify. Would you like to be modified? Would you like to be modified? Yeah, I was gonna go over here. Just gonna make a zone. Let's make a zone. Let's make a zone. Make a part. Hello, part. Okay. Model scale. Mall. Mall. I'm on my way. So it'll be like a normal jump height after this zone. Accelerator, and the acceleration will be 100. And it's anchored, and it's can collide false, I guess. It's in here, and it's transparent. I would like to have little sprinkling parts that are going up, but or particle effect, but I don't know how to do that. So I'll just move on. Okay. I'll make an accelerator through a doorway or something. Well, maybe through this one? I always like to go through this one, so I'll do it here. Hello, part. Hello, part. Hello, part. Fucking hell. All right. Bada boom. So this one will just be called part. That's fine. It'll be anchored, can collide false, transparent, and how do I figure out velocity? Okay, let's look at my camera. Okay, it's in the workspace, so let's look at the camera position. Oh shit. It doesn't show the what the workspace dot current camera dot C frame. All right, and then we move this way a bit and do it again. And what changed? So it's 23 to 72, so that's positive X direction. So I can go to the part and change the positive X, change it to like 50. It gives you 50 speed, or yeah, 50 speed. That has to be noticeable. All right. Le boost. Name doesn't matter. All right, so that is the booster. Yeah, let's go put it in server storage. Save. Publish. I have this bug in Surf that the map glitches out and I can't see where to go, where I go. Could you explain more? I don't really know what you're talking about. Is it the field of view? Is it? Can you only see like tiny little things in front of you, or big things, I guess, on the screen? All right, chat over here. Map test. Right, I disabled it. Oh, that's right. I was trying to do the server list and it wasn't working. I guess I'll just disable those. I need to do testing. Server list. Uh-huh. So we'll access permissions. How do I open it up? Oh, I remember what I did. Map test. There we go. Okay. Alright. So loading the place. Okay, client side, no error. Server side, let's check out what's happening with the dominant server stuff. Oh god. I'll just hop around. Alright, so let's check out the booster. Did not work. Check the client log. No errors. Tick update this dominant servers, no. So the instaboosters are not working. Oh, the accelerator's working. Did you see that? No gravity, boy. Pretty good. Why is it laggy? Who knows? Okay. I'm glad OBS can see my game. Okay. So we're gonna have to debug why the thing doesn't work. Why don't we look for the add touching part function? Doesn't look like it returned anything before. So why doesn't it work? Hit part. Hit part is called regardless of the can collide, true or false. It doesn't matter, can collide all the way to here. And then it checks if it's can collide. If it's can collide true, it goes down this path. But if it's can collide false, then it checks Checks if the part is a zone. If it's not a zone, it boosts it. Boosts you. Oh, this is a reflection formula. And I don't need this. Actually, I could leave that there. That'd be fine. You could have a booster that boosts more the farther away you are from it. All right, let's check out. So, are there more than one? Is there more than one server open? Servers? Yes, there is. Excellent. So, I can see that the dominant server is. Let's see what our server is. Server instance ID is 93C. So 93C is the only one updating, and this is the dominant one. Refresh. Let's go to the other server and see what the ID is. Seems like it's not working. Let me check the server log. Oh, did you just open this one? Dominant server is this, and this is the current server. So things are still messed up. What? What the hell? Notice though. Never seen anyone do something like that. That's hilarious. Okay, so now I have disabled the server list stuff. But I need to print out what's happening with the parts. Maybe it was just that one line. Let's just give it a publish, see what happens. So accelerators working. Oh, that didn't work. Ah! Did I anchor it? Let me see. That would be a big mistake. Yes, it's anchored. Oh. So it's got a velocity. Why is it not working? Should be giving me a boost. Why are these? Oh, is that because of the... Huh. Hmm. Um. Yeah, I would really love to make the math part of that a reality. But alas, it will probably be quite difficult. Huh. Why isn't it working? Let me do a print. Print boost. Insta fail. What? So it doesn't even register. What? So it's the part that's not working. Something's wrong. Cause these things work. So the part's not there. Something's wrong. Why don't I make it visible? Make it so. Okay. I'm confused. Why would it not be working? Uh Okay. Okay, it's there, but it doesn't work. Why do those work then? The hell? What the hell? What the hell? I don't get it. I don't get it. I don't get it. I don't get it. So it doesn't even register as something that exists. And then these things give you the instaboost. What is going on? What are those things called? Are those just parts? No. So they gotta be one of the models. Okay, so yeah, they're one of the models. Well, let me look at this one specifically because we know that it works. Why would you do this? So stupid. Alright, what are the parts called? Part. Part. What? Le boost. What? If I name it part, will it work? Why isn't it working? It works on these parts, but not that part? What the fuck is going on? It's not even registering. Why would this not work? What could possibly make it? You guys changed the map to the same map? That's an interesting idea. Let's try it. It's worth a shot. What the hell is going on? Ah! Boost. Why not work? Got the velocity. Let's just. Okay, now it has a ridiculous velocity in every single direction. But it wasn't registering that it was there. It never even said anything. It didn't say, why is it not working? What? What? Is this like a tiny bug in one of my systems or something? Why would it not work? Part name, not part of player. Oh, it has a definition, goddamn. What? It's like it's not even there. Why is it not even there? If it was a zone, it would say insta fail. Why doesn't it work? Wait. Does it work for you? No. But the accelerator works so beautifully. So beautiful. So elegant. It accelerates to a higher level. And that is nothing. But why? But the Can't Falls parts here work. How is that possible? Okay, I'm just gonna name it part. I'll keep it selected. I'll lose the part, but alright, it's called part now, game. You happy? Save. Publish. Refresh. Shut down. Yes. Refresh. Play. When you jumped inside of it with 0 velocity, it worked. Alright, let's see if the name has any effect. No effect. So, but you're saying, oh. That gives me an idea. So D is greater than min slope. Excellent work, my friend. Alright, so I'll put this here, and then everything else moves up, And then take this stuff and it goes down here. So it was the min slope, I guess. Dot up normal. Yeah. Good work. I didn't see that extra if statement. That must have been it. Thanks for your help debugging, guys. Owning Gaming, shout out. Shout out to you for finding the problem. Save. Publish. And we can rename this to oh, didn't shut down. Go away, Roblox. Booster was not delayed. It was only boosting you on things that you could surf on. So if the part had been angled, it would have boosted you. So now it just boosts always. So yeah, 50 velocity is a huge boost. Holy. What? Thank you for helping me debug this. Extra eyes. I hope it was worth the wait. Alright, so it should work if you just touch it. Yep, it gives you the boost. That's 50? Are you kidding? Oh yeah, that's 50. Oh, you can go through it if you jump. So if you're going up and you go like that, oh, it really tries to boost you. Look at that. Oh, does it double boost you? Hold on. Yeah, triple boost. That was a quadruple boost. Looks like I'm gonna have to make it a zone. Because you don't want it to boost you like 5 times. How am I gonna debounce this? What's in my code already? I wonder if you can do it like this. Yeah, you can get in like that. Okay. Back to the code. So I'll need to add thing. Thing. Hmm. So it's got to be only on touch. But the only thing that works like that is a zone. I see why. So. So parts that are in the touching parts list have physics on them. And I can't have that for a can collide false part. But I need to keep track of the can collide false parts. I guess I could take this out and then put that test back in another part where it goes over the touching parts. Let's see. Touching parts. Yeah, I could just do it here. Touching parts. Touching parts. Easy. Okay. Yeah. Uh. Um. Remove. There it is. Don't do extra math. Oops. Yeah, don't do extra math if it's not can collide. Excellent. Okay. So that should be able to keep track of can collide false parts. So that I can see if it's a new touch. So Excellent. This is so excellent. Okay. Everything is simple and using already built-in systems. Excellent. Just excellent. Oh, so now I have to do local is go away zone new touch equals if new touch and not is zone, then instaboosters. Perfect. So that should clear up the adding to the velocity every single frame. Save, publish, shut down, play. I taught myself to script by playing script builders. Oh, we got an error. Wish Roblox would stop doing that. Oh no, it's up values. Oh no. Oh no. This is the worst possible thing that could happen. Oh no. Close parts. Is that used anywhere else? What about the faggot function? Is that used anywhere else? Let's find. Nope, that's the only one. Okay. So I could turn this whole little top part into a function. Sure. Local hit parts function. So that gets rid of R3, gets rid of half box, character, gets rid of hit part and exit zones. That is a good one. Nice one! Okay, so that should fix the movement, I hope. What did I just do? Let's copy it again just in case. So this was the up value problem I was talking about. It has more than 60 up values. That's an arbitrary limit that you could change it in the Lua settings, but why would they even have a limit? It's just limiting for no reason. It's so stupid. Oh. Hello? Oh. Thought it froze, but it didn't. Okay, why do I still have those prints there? I need to remove the prints. data store. Okay, is it in? There it is. Get out of here. Do I even have that in the other one? Yes, I do. Okay. Get out of here. Okay. Oh. Why? I don't understand why that keeps happening. Okay, so now, yeah, it only boosts 50. It's much less potent. And also, when you try to go through it, it doesn't change your velocity again. So if I negate it, I can stand inside it and jump and like move around, and it doesn't boost me again. But if I go through it, so it's only when you touch it the first time. And when you're inside it already, it doesn't work. Excellent! Excellent, 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 excellent. I should really test can collide false parts, but don't really feel like it. It probably works. Oh, there's some can collide false parts. Still can collide false. Isn't that great? Let's check the client log. Nothing weird. But the server log, why does it keep trying to method cross the stupid boundary? In high scores, let's check it out. High scores. That's what YP-call is for, though. Why does it error when that's what it's for? Says high scores 115. 115. 115. That's where the YP call is. Oh, it's the username. That's erroring. Oh, I thought it was something bad. Okay, so that's where the user not loaded yet comes from. Is right here when it errors when it's not supposed to error. If we look at the top of the script here, all of this is relying on other modules I have. So this stuff is opening all these modules, and it uses all the modules throughout the script. So you'd have to find everything that it relies on here and get rid of it. It would be much easier to, or would it be much easier? I don't know if it would be much easier since there's all this physics stuff. Yeah, it probably wouldn't be easier to do it from scratch, but you could make it a different way. I'll show you the center of the entire game. Tick velocity right here. This function, this is what bhop is. Right there. That's bhop. This is strafing. So if you that's what makes you do this. That's why you accelerate, is just that right here. This function. Everything else is like high scores and spectating, and all the other work is built around that. This is it. That's it. All right. Oh, that was sad. What's that map where you go through endless maps? There's like 200 of them. I don't know what you're talking about. So fast. Quiet, how do you have 5 seconds on this map? Check it out, check it out. Dang it, okay. Try again. Boom. It's the portal. Okay, how much time have I? 2 hours? Been streaming for 2 hours, and I've done all this. I've done all this in 2 hours. I can't believe that I didn't do anything for 6 months. It's just incredible. All right, maybe I'll publish this update to the games, because right now, oh my god, why is it lagging? Is there some kind of... Maybe it was just a server log. Yeah, too much Too much printing. Oh boy. This white wall is here because I used it to make the chat effects like wave. I used it to make. I used it as a background for the chat effects, so I can make the badge pictures. That's why it's there. B bold, I italic. You can also type them out. Bold, bold, italic, italic. And anyone can use those. Okay, why is it lagging? Who knows, dude? Maybe it's OBS. Maybe it's. If I come back to it, does it? What's my CPU? Who knows, dude? It's Roblox. It just lags. I hope it's not the code I just did. Doesn't seem like it. So you don't have to buy the bold and italic fonts. You can use those without the game passes. Quite get Ryzen. Ryzen isn't good for gaming though. It's good for many CPU tasks. I guess I do that, but I'd rather have a CPU that has high clock speeds and lots of cores. So like 4790K would be the best, but I have a 4790. I can't believe that I went, oh, I guess they're the same. Like this 4790K is like 20% better, and it's like the same price. It's like $20 more. I don't want to go and like buy one because I already have. It wouldn't be worth it, like $400 for a 20% upgrade. No way. And besides, I'd rather get a newer CPU, like a 7700K or something. You know what I really want is like 7900K, but is that even out? I feel done, but like, what else can I do? I need to make things. What does Drumman say? Spawn at. Okay, I'll do Drumman's update as well. So spawn at. Where is Control F? Spawn at. Somewhere out there. Okay, so how did I do? Okay, so this is for jumping on it, but if it's can collide false, so if it's can collide false, I'll match it as well, but it'll be anywhere. So yeah, so you could even have a booster called spawn at. So right now what I'm doing is I'm making it so that you can pass through a part called spawn at, and it'll be like jumping on the spawn. So if it's hard to make triggers, like if you have a bunch of platforms in the air and they go up and down and weave in between each other and stuff, you can have a spawn at and have it like a zone that you pass through. That's what I'm doing. And then I'll just copy this code and then I'll be done. Done. Lol, update. Yeah, that's it. Okay, so that's a bunch of updates. Yep. Updates. Updates. Is anyone else lagging more than usual, or is that just me and OBS? No, you can't do rainbow with basic. You need the color effects to do color effects. Who is your favorite map maker? Why would I say that? I don't even have one, but I haven't ever thought about it. I like people who make good maps. That's what I like. With Rainbow, you have to wrap it so that it can calculate the text size. You can't do it like the other things. Anything that requires the length of the text has to be inside. Can you do a game modes on Surf? What the hell? What even is that question? Oh, you're talking about like combat Surf. I would totally make that a different game if it wasn't a ton of work. Like it's like Surf is already a like niche small community, and then Combat Surf, that would be a small community inside of the small community. So it's really not worth doing a ton of work to make this game. What would be great is if I could just mesh the Phantom Forces code with the Surf code, and it would they would work in tandem without any sort of modifications, but that's impossible since they would both require huge modifications. Can you add knives? Meh. I want someone to rip the models and animations from CSGO. Can you add, can you upload models on Roblox yet? Or upload meshes? Is that possible yet? Basically, I have to make it exactly the same as CS:GO, or everyone will complain. There's no in between. I can't like use a Roblox knife or something because that would just suck. Like I have to make it exactly the same. So I'll need someone to rip the animation and the models from the game, and then I can do it. Oh, okay. That was a bunch of little scripting updates. One of them was not so little, a little bit buggy. Oh, so I guess I'll update the games. All right. Oops. Oh, I can't. I can't update Surf. Oh, I can actually. I'll do it. B-hop. How big is B-hop? Okay. So go in and delete the scripts. And then guess I'll move the chat in. And then paste them in. Oh, hat giver. Fish. Why don't I take out the scripts as well? Animal, fish, damage script, right. Sure. Following brick. Uh, why do only some of them follow you? of animal dot handle dot script. Yeah. Okay. Oh, animal is the only one. Okay. I'll do that again then. Okay. Published to Roblox as bhop. So that should fix the H half sideways cheating. Oh man, it takes a while. And then surf, I'm gonna have to load it from Roblox. So if you watch my left monitor there, just above my head, right here, if you watch that, I'll go to surf. Surf. Wow, 270 people playing and it's not featured. Whoa, it says that there. That's cool. I didn't know that. That's really neat. And now edit. I barely ever do this, but since the place file is corrupted actually, and it has a bunch of new maps in it that I added, it's required to do this. Okay, Roblox really. Is it downloading? Okay. So update the scripts. And I'll add the updated maps after my friend gets the map uploader done, and then I can have more maps than the game supports by loading them dynamically instead of them all being here. I'll have none of them here, and they'll all be on they'll all be individual models, and I'll just load asset the models in. But I don't really want to upload them one by one, so I'm just waiting for. I'll message the guy. Get her done! Get her done! Alright, so that's all the scripts, right? Okay. We'll publish it. Great. How come when I play surf I spawn in a pillar of people? Have you tried the data reset place? That's like my go-to fix for any problems. Most of the problems stem from from data corruption. So once I get a website and I store the stuff on my own servers, there shouldn't be any more data corruption. No guarantees though. Okay, so that should fix the half sideways bug. I guess it doesn't. So let's see. You used to be able to. Yeah, you can't do that anymore. Oh, hold on. HSW. Yeah, I fixed it. Okay. Now you have to do it like this. Fail. Alright, I did a bunch of updates, and will it delete all my times? I'm not sure what you're talking about, but times don't just get deleted. Oh, you're talking about the data reset? Data reset only deletes things like your sensitivity and local things like that. The times are stored in another place, so it's actually very difficult to delete times. It's very difficult to create times too. Everything is difficult with Roblox. You have to work around their stuff. There's all sorts of undocumented problems that you have to fix. Okay. Well, I think I'm finished doing updates for the day. It's kind of a short stream, but not sure what else to do. Data reset place is, it should be like right there on my places. Oh, yeah, so there it is. So this will fix a lot of stuff. Evidently people don't think so. So do you crash servers? Do you lose connection right when you join? Try my new product data reset. Join this place to get the badge. Join the game you want to reset your data on. Your times are safe. It says it right in the description. Come on. Delete the badge. You got question mark, question mark, question mark, profit. Got a nice reset. Join the place you want to reset your data on with this badge. Delete this badge once your data is reset. Wow, people, good grief. Oh my god, so many people needed to reset their data. Oh. Oh, so terrible. But it's a good solution because you can detect the badge before you start loading the data, which crashes the server sometimes. I don't know why. Maybe I should read my Roblox messages. Maybe I'll do that. Yeah, why not? I'll end this stream and then I'll start streaming in 4K. Okay. How do I OBS